Yes. Good morning, children. Here we can start today's class. Okay. So I have something to show you today. Okay. So you know what it is?
Newspaper.
How
Oh,
does a
okay.
farmer
Okay.
grow
Okay.
plants
What?
on a farm?
What happened? Somebody is saying something. Who is that?
Ma'am, can you show the item again?
Yes, I will show this. It is what it is? Newspaper. Right.
Newspaper.
Okay. So are you reading newspaper now? How many of you are reading newspaper now?
Ma'am, we don't buy newspapers, so I don't
Now
read.
these all things are over. No? Yeah, we want to live with this COVID. Okay, so if we are avoiding at the beginning of that pandemic, I think we all scared. We don't have any vaccine. We don't have anything to prevent. Now I think we can have our normal life. Okay, so in this one, you before that you are of the habit of writing news. Am I right? News. Now, is anybody is continuing with that habit? No, I think. Okay, if you are not writing, that is okay, no problem. If you are you reading it? Are you reading newspaper?
We are not buying, ma'am.
Oh, not buying that. This pandemic made.
Too, ma'am.
Okay, so those who,
Me too.
those who all are getting the newspaper, try to read the newspaper. Akil, mute your audio. Try to read it. Okay, so because see, Akshit, what you are writing? Did I say anything to write? So children, see, when I see this newspaper today, I can just go through the headlines only. Okay, I'm not getting that much time to read. But all on a sudden, I got a news. Sender approves incentives for sugar, cotton, jute farmers. Okay, is this news anything related to our learning?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Yes.
That much I am very satisfied because by hearing that news, you understood it is something related to, it is something related to what? Our lesson.
Our lesson.
Yeah. Yes, see children, if you are hearing Kashinath and brother, are you together attending the class or are you doing anything else there? Are you doing anything else? No. Okay. So when we are hearing from outside, from newspaper, television, or from magazines, something which we learned from the class, do you feel excited? Do you feel
Yes.
excited? Yes,
Yes.
or no?
Yes.
Yes, I felt it excited today in the morning.
Yes.
Today in the morning, I felt it excited because by seeing this heading, farmer, oh, I taught it in the last class in 5th standard. So it took a curiosity in my mind. What it is about farmers? So here in this news, it is about sugar farmer, cotton farmer, and about the jute farmers. Okay. So these are the crops. Sugar is from where do we get sugar? Okay, so sugar cane farmer who is growing sugar cane, and cotton farmer who is growing cotton plants. What do we get from cotton plants? Cotton. What is the use of cotton with that cotton plant?
Clothes.
We can make the thread, we can make clothes. So have you heard about this cotton plant in any other chapter?
Yes, ma'am. Malayalam.
Malayalam.
class.
Okay, not in science. Not in science.
Yes, ma'am. Science periods.
Yes, which is that? And Ashwin, tell me, in which chapter about what?
That chapter about plants.
Yes, dispersal. Dispersal, right? Dispersal by explosion. Understood? Seeds are dispersing from one place to another. For one of the example of it is cotton that dispersed by explosion. That cotton will open, the pods of the covering of the cotton fruit will burst and the cotton will come out of it. Okay, so that we learned it in the other class. So children, another one, jute. Jute is also one type of material used for making dress, for bags, jute bag, that all you saw, right? Jute file,
Yes,
jute
ma'am.
bags. So these
Ma'am, I
these all are grown by who? Who is that person who is growing these
Farmer.
things?
Farmer.
Very good, very good.
Farmer.
Okay, farmer. So this, if they are growing these crops, but due to this year, you can see the climate, is that climatic condition, is it favorable for the farmers to grow crops?
No.
Is it
Yes.
favorable? Is it good?
No.
No,
No.
due to bad
No.
weather. See, in Kuttanada, Alappuzha and all, you can see the field, paddy field, it is all flooded
Well.
by water. Isn't it? So, can you think, will these farmers will get any profit from their crops?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
If
No,
they
ma'am,
lose the
no.
crops by flood or due to bad weather, will they
No,
get
ma'am.
profit?
No.
They won't get.
No.
So, will they gain or loss from that crops?
Yes. Yes.
Loss. So, just think, they might have took loans from some agencies. They have to repay it, right? So, if these
Yeah.
crops are not bringing any profit, will they be able to pay it? No.
No.
So, the farmers will become very disappointed. Isn't it? They won't like to do farming in the next time. If nobody is doing any farm work, will our country will get enough things for us?
Never.
No.
So what the country will do? Country will depend on other countries for
We
getting
will
these.
buy the
Yeah.
things from
See,
the
will
other
they
country.
give? Will they give free?
No.
No, we
we
have
should
to
pay.
pay according to our necessity. According to our necessity, they may increase the money
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
cost. They
Ma'am,
may
I have a
increase the
doubt.
cost of that things, right? So likewise, children, then government has to pay more money on it. In order to avoid such a condition, government is encouraging farmers to do farming by giving some money, by relaxations. Okay, some things they can do. Say they are fixing some amount to these all crops, sugar, jute, cotton. Below that, they should not sell. Okay, some people will come and ask them, sell the sugar cane for low money, for low cost. Then the farmer will lose it, right? So in order to avoid that one, and in order to make it sure that farmers should get right amount for their crops, government is fixing some rates. Okay, this is what the government did it today. I got the
Today?
news from here. Yes, what is your doubt, Christo?
Ma'am, that which season is favorable for the crops?
Which season is favorable for
The crops.
which crop?
Paddy field.
Paddy crops. Okay, so just I am giving a assignment to you. Okay, you can search, you can check it. Okay, paddy needs, yesterday I told paddy need a lot of water, rain. So can you think which season will be, it is favorable
Monsoon.
for growing?
Monsoon.
Yeah,
Rainy
monsoon
season,
season.
monsoon.
Oh, yes, yes. Okay. And Christo, just search for it. Okay. So children, likewise, what all we are learning from the class, if you are getting some other knowledge, and one more thing, 1 or 2 months before, you might have heard farmers strike. So a big strike, it was there on New Delhi, something, right? All the farmers of all the countries all together, they went there and what they did? They were there in the strike. Yeah,
Strike.
tractor strike. Yeah, so many tractors were brought to there. Yes. So see, these all are related to farmers. So you should understand what it is going on there. You will get this all information from the newspaper, newses. Okay, is it okay? So now onwards, will you hear it? Will you watch it? Will you observe these all? Hmm? What it is?
Ma'am, when my father is seeing the news, I will also go and see it.
Okay, so here children, this is what I want to tell you. Please, whatever we are learning, that is all related to our daily life. Okay, so here we can start today's class. So yesterday we learned, did we discuss these 3 points?
Yeah, only the farmer.
Only the first one.
Okay. So first
Only
one
the first
explained about the crops. I explained it, right? And the second one, that is about the seeds. So seeds means seeds is also very important. After fixing, when the farmer fixes which crop he need to, when the farmer fixes which crop he need to grow, he wants to take that seeds, right? Take that seeds. So will he get, from where do he get that seeds? Can you tell me? Yes, from where he will get it? Any idea? He will get it from government agencies. Okay, so if he is some agricultural colleges are there. So these agricultural colleges are developing new high quality seeds for the farmers. They are taking researches and all. So in that way, they can produce new quality, profit bringing seeds. Otherwise, the farmer, if he is doing the work farming for a long time, what he will do? He will give. See, at your home also, you can see your father and mother taking the seeds of the vegetables and keep it for the later use. Am I right?
Yeah.
They will tell you. They will, isn't it, Gurujit? Yesterday you showed that one. So from that good seeds, they will take it, they will dry it and keep it safely. Why they are doing it so? Why they are not selling that one? Why? In the next season, they will use that seeds to produce the plant. So nowhere they need to go and search for the seed. From their hands only they will get it. Okay, so here in some government agencies, let me show you. Okay, wait. See, in Vellaini, one agricultural college is there. There they are producing, after research, after studies, they are producing what it is, new types of seeds. So I will show you. Okay, that college where it is at. Wait. Have you heard about Vellaini?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I heard.
Yes, ma'am. I have it.
Okay, so can you tell me where it is? Vellaini Agricultural College. College of Agricultural, Vellaini, one of the oldest agricultural colleges in Kerala, under Agricultural University, and situated in Vellaini, Thiruvananthapuram. Okay, it is in Thiruvananthapuram. College of Agriculture, Vellaini is in Thiruvananthapuram. Can you see that picture, children? So in here, yes. Wait, let me show you. It is a agricultural college. Okay, so that means I am related to related to agriculture, that all it is teaching there. I think it is wrong. Yes. Did you see this one? In the side, it is some colleges, it is showing. Yes.
Yes,
Okay. So it is in Tirunelveli and it is the one of the oldest agricultural colleges in Kerala. It is under Kerala Agricultural University. Okay. So children, yes. Wait. Okay. So children, in this way, they will get the what? They will get the seed. So once the crops it is decided, once the seeds we got, the farmer need to prepare the land. Prepare the land. So let me ask you one question. See, you know about your school ground, isn't it? School ground is for playing. Okay. So do you think can we plant crops on school ground? Rishikesh? Rishikesh?
No.
Rishikesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can we grow crops on school ground?
Yes. No.
Can we grow crops on paddy crops on school ground?
No.
No. It is not suitable for it. It is very why it is
Because we need more place for.
wait Niranjana. Rishikesh, tell me, what is the nature of the playground?
Not to play.
It is what is the nature of the playground?
Ma'am, what
Is
do you
it
mean?
soft, hard?
Oh, it is hard.
It is hard. So Rishikesh, in the same way, let me ask you, will we be able to play football or any other game in paddy field?
No. No. It
No.
will sink.
It is very, we will sink. Okay, you told. It is very, you will sink. Yeah, due to the loose mud. Due to the presence of loose mud, we will get slip. We will sink in it. Okay, so in the same way, children, whenever we need to grow some crops or to rear animals, what we need to do? We first need to prepare. We need to prepare the land.
And the
Okay,
soft land.
prepare land.
Then
See,
it
in
should
the
be
case
soft.
of rearing animals, in the case of rearing animal, if we want to raise cattle, can we simply bring the cattle and can we keep it somewhere here and there?
Ma'am, what is cattle?
What is cattle?
Cow.
What is cattle?
Ma'am,
Huh?
cow.
No. Okay, so if we want to rear these chicks, Amalfayas is saying ducks. So simply bringing the ducks and sending it somewhere. Is it like this way we can do?
We need a cage.
No.
Yeah, we need a
We need
settings
a
for
shed.
it, right? So that is what it is told. The farmer should prepare the land to sow the seeds.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, these are the three important points. I hope you noted these 3 points. Am I right?
Yep.
It
Yes,
is first
ma'am.
point is about the crop. Second point is about the seeds. Third point is
Ma'am, I
about
want to note it.
prepare the land. Okay.
One paddy field is there, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Just check it. Okay.
It's in that.
Okay. So can I move to the next point?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am, I didn't finish.
Okay. So write it. Christo Roy. So read it. How does a farmer grow plants on farm?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
The farmer decides which crops to grow.
Farmer
then-
has to decide.
Yeah, farmer has to decide which crops to grow. And to grow the crops, the farmer needs the seeds of that plant. Then the farmer has to prepare the land.
Okay, needs to prepare the land. Okay, so next point, we are going to discuss how the farmer is preparing. How does he can prepare the farm? Okay, yes,
One-
Devadatt. Then tell me, Devadatt.
Ma'am, they should uh, take, take one. I heard what is I don't know that things
Okay,
that
so wait, I will help you. Can you see this?
Words.
Yes, can you see this tool?
Yeah,
Can you see
I
this?
know that.
Yeah, that is called plow. Okay,
Plow.
plow. Plougs. So write down in your rough book the new word. Okay.
Word,
Yeah,
it is called
P-L-
kalappa, right?
Excuse me,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
I
In
have a
Malayalam,
doubt.
we can call it like this. That is
Kalappa.
plow. Plow. Ploughs. Plow.
We can call it.
Ma'am, should we only write flung?
Yeah, yes. This
Ma'am,
word,
I
new
have a
word.
doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
We can
Children,
say it also in
children,
Malayalam.
mute your audio. Everyone, mute your audio.
Right,
Mute your audio, everyone.
2 points.
Everyone, wait, mute your audio. See, while I am sharing, if everyone is simply talking their own, will it be able, will the others will able to understand? Huh? So wait, mute your audio and wait it here. So the first step for preparing land. The first step for preparing land, it is plowing. Okay, plowing. Ploughing. Okay, plowing. So you can see if it is like the place like a school ground, it is very hard. The soil is not loose, so it is very difficult for us to plant crops there. So we need to make the soil. We need to make the soil loose. How can we make that soil loose? By using a tool called plow. Ploughs. So this is a new word and this is also a new word. You should note down these new words. Devadatt, are you noting down these new words? No. You are simply sitting there. Note down everyone.
Ma'am, finish.
Wait. So preparing the land to sow seeds using plow is called plowing. That is called plowing. Okay, the name of the process is plowing. Ploughing. Amal, what is the spelling of that process?
Ploughing.
What is that word?
Plowing.
Okay, plowing. What is the tool which it is used for plowing?
Plow.
Plow. Okay, plow. Ploughs. Plow. And plowing. Clear? So before that, see, this is the instrument, you tool which we are using. Before that, people used tying this plow on the buffaloes or ox, and they may make the soil loose. This plow help us to turn over the soil. Okay, it will make the uplift the soil. Nowadays, instead of this ox and buffaloes, what we are using?
Tractor.
Tractors. Okay, we are using tractors for, see, this is that much hard land. After running this tractor over it, how it become? Can you see? Can you watch the change?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
I
Yes.
have a doubt.
Yes. So this is called what? Plow. Okay. And what is the name of the instrument which we are using? Plow. Plow. Yes. So here, preparing the land to sow seeds using a plow is called plowing.
Ma'am,
Devananda.
Should we write that?
Yes.
Preparing the-
Write this point.
Ma'am.
Very important.
Preparing the land.
Preparing the land. What is plowing, Christo? What
Ma'am.
is plowing, Christo?
plowing, preparing the land to sow seeds using a plow is called plowing.
Say it clearly and confidently. What is plowing?
Preparing the land to sow seeds using a plow is called plowing.
Okay. Devananda,
Ma'am,
what
I
is
have a-
meant by plowing?
Preparing the land to sow seeds using a plow is called plowing.
Kashi, what is plowing?
Yes, ma'am. Making the land.
Say it loudly, I can't hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
making the land ready for, not ready, loose for planting seeds. Using a plow is called plowing.
Plowing. Okay. So are you writing it in your rough book?
Yes, ma'am, but
Now-
not finished.
Huh?
Ma'am, I am writing but not finished.
So next one. So children, I hope you understood. Faihan, what is plowing? Faihan. Faihan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Preparing
What do
the
you mean
land.
by plowing?
So, preparing the land to sow seeds using a plow is called plowing.
Okay. So children, a plow is used to prepare the soil. Which tool is used to prepare the soil? A plow. Okay. So Ivana, read the spelling of the plow, the name of the tool. Ivana. Ashwin Krishna, read the spelling of that tool. Ashwin.
Ma'am.
Yes. Spelling of the tool.
Tractor.
Is it tractor? Now, is it tractor? Tractor? No, it is not tractor. Plow. Okay, it is plow. We have to use plow. That can be run. Run with the help of oxen and buffaloes or with the help of tractor. See, see in the tractor also plow is used. Okay, the tool which it is connected to the machine, that is called tractor. There also tractor is running, and at that time plow is also lifting the soil. When we use oxen or buffaloes, that plow is connected to these animals. When these are moving, this plow which it is connected will uplift the soil. Clear? Is it clear, children?
Yes.
Is it clear or no?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the meaning of slow?
Slow.
Sow seeds.
So SOW. So means when we put the seed into what on soil. See, next point is sowing. What is the meaning? So can you see this picture? We have to put the seeds in soil, right? And we will cover the seed with a loose layer of soil over it. That is called sowing. Is it clear, Mekha?
Yes, ma'am. Should we write the definition of sowing?
Wait, one by one you can write. Okay, is it clear about plowing? Zahara, is it clear about plowing?
Yes.
Yes, then tell me what is plowing?
Preparing the land to sow seeds using a plow is called a plowing.
Why are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Likewise,
No,
you are
ma'am.
reading. Say it clearly. What is plowing?
Preparing the land to sow seeds using a plow is called plowing.
Okay. Next one. Next question. Advait Raji, what is the name of the tool used for preparing the soil?
Plow.
Spelling plow. Spelling.
P-L-O-U-G-H.
Okay. Next one. Akshay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Which all are the animals used for plowing?
Oxen
Ah.
and buffalo.
Buffaloes, oxen and buffaloes. Okay. Nived, what is the name of the machine used for plowing?
Plow.
No, machine used for plowing. Tractor. Okay, tractor. Ahian, read the spelling of tractor.
Tractro. Tractor.
Tractor, no? Is it RO or OR?
Or
Oh. So say it once again. What is the name of the machine used for plowing?
Tractor.
Spelling.
Tractor.
Okay. So children, this is plowing is a step. Plowing is a step for preparing the land for crops. Okay, understood? Next step we will learn. So after doing plowing, we can make the soil loose. Okay, it is easy for us to sow the seeds in that farm. So in the next class, we will learn what are the next steps the farmer is taking for growing crops. Okay.